Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with your Charles Schwab banking account. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your Cashapp account once you do sign up. But once you do sign up, what you're going to do is that you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Click on the profile icon on the upper right hand side, and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. So if you don't see the words linked banks, what you're going to do is see a prompt like linked cards or linked debit cards. Go ahead and click on that. But from what I found, you do need to link your debit card in order for the prompt for linked banks to appear. So in my case, I'm going to click on linked banks. And then as you can see here, I do have my debit card already linked up. And that's what prompted me to allow the linked bank option to appear. So I'm going to click on linked bank again. And then from here, just going to wait a couple more seconds. And then on this prompt, click on continue. And then you're going to scroll down until you see Charles Schwab. So go ahead and click on Charles Schwab. And then from here, the prompts are going to be pretty straightforward. After logging in to your Charles Schwab account, you want to make sure that you check this box, okay, the checkings or savings account. So click on continue to log in and then follow this series of prompts. And then that is how you link Cashapp with Charles Schwab. So again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your accounts once you do sign up. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.